How to use TextNow international calling. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. From the main menu, tap on the dialer icon or the call button to open the keypad. Enter the international number you want to call, including the country code at the beginning. If you are not sure about the country code, tap the country name on the dialer to easily select the country from the list. TextNow offers free international calling to certain countries, while others may require credits. If the country you are calling is not free, you will see the credit requirement before placing the call. Once you have enough credits or if the call is free, just tap the call button and wait for the connection. Enjoy clear and reliable international calls directly through the TextNow app. Now you know how to use TextNow for international calling. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.